And in different ways to monetize, there is also an extra feature where it says, if you go to different ways to monetize, where it says about super stickers, super chats, gifting, and all that. In that, there is one more option. I forget exactly what it is. I have to check it on the phone when it's over. So there's one more option, but you go and check that, on your phone. So check it where it
Mm-hmm.
says super chat, super stickers, and this gifting and all that. And there is one more way you can earn money. So choose on
Uh-huh.
that fifth option. Yeah, choose on that fifth option there. Or maybe that is the option which I'm talking about, the brand advertisers. Yeah, I think that is the option, the brand advertisers. Yeah, that is the fifth option. So just click on it. What, you don't lose anything, right?
Mm-hmm. There.
Yeah, so check in all these extra options. I keep
Mm-hmm.
searching, here, there, and all. Suddenly I find some new features.
Yeah. If only to have some time to read.
Yeah.
Find some time to read.
So don't forget to choose these options which I mentioned about.
It's nothing. Only fools rush in.
Falling in love with you.
Lonely river flows to the sea, to the sea.
Something the meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life, but I can't help falling in love with you. But I can't help falling in love with you. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, thank you. I heard someone singing while washing the